Good morning, traders. Welcome to this week's cryptocurrency market analysis webinar. I hope you all had a great week. All right, we're still seeing weakness across the cryptocurrencies, and we're still asking the question whether we are going to see the reversal anytime soon on the cryptocurrency. So before we get started, check out our channel. We have uploaded a video that is showing how we have been trading over the last 2 months, and how accurate that analysis has been, whether it was on the Forex analysis or the crypto analysis, as well as the indices and some of the stocks. You should look at that short video there and check out how we recap those. Right now, back to the market on Bitcoin. Last week, we indicated that the move to the downside has not completed as yet, and we still expect more, and that is still the case. All right, so in that video, you will also see how we forecasted the Bitcoin move from this level, forecasting a move to the downside. So we forecasted that Bitcoin was going to drop to around 28,000. We've even went as low as 25,000 on Bitcoin. And last week we indicated that that move to the downside is not done yet, and we still expect that it will continue to the downside. So let's get to the analysis for this week on Bitcoin. So we are still looking at this as an expanding flat on Bitcoin. That's an expanding flat. We have broken below the low here. So what is next here? So we've got this one as an A, as a B, and as a C. So our C is playing out as 5 waves naturally. So we've got 1, 2, 3. We're looking at this as our 4, and we forecasted this $22,000 move on Bitcoin from this level to our flash below 28,000 here, and we now anticipate that this is still going to continue to the downside here. Okay, so likely what we have here is an A, is a B. Rather, let me just clean this one up here. This one needs to be a 3-wave structure here, or a WXY corrective structure. So we've got here we've got here 1, 2, extended 1 here, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. I want to fix it up here so you can see why we didn't expect that Bitcoin will make a reversal after flashing the low here. Okay, so this is ABC here. That's an ABC structure. I'm not going to show you the whole of the whole structure here. I just want to show you why. So if this is our C here, we're anticipating that this will give us 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so where are we now? We are on this 4 here. We're on this 4 here and anticipating that this will continue to the downside. Let me go to the 4-hour so you can see what I'm referring to and why we are not convinced that Bitcoin was ready to make a move to the downside. This is the 4 that I'm really talking about. That could play out like this. We can even get a move to the upside back to 34,000 and then flash below again to complete that move. Only then can we expect a reversal on Bitcoin. But as it is now, the move to the upside is not confirmed reversal. We can still get one more move to the downside because we have got what looks like a 5-wave move here that I'm going to show you again. You can see it clearly on the 4-hour, 1, 2, 3, 4, and we're anticipating a 5. Okay, only then will we say that Bitcoin may be ready for a reversal. So for now, we still anticipate more downside with this. Right, so that is Bitcoin. Ethereum, exactly the same structure, and you'll see all the cryptocurrencies have a similar structure. Ethereum, same structure as Bitcoin. It's got an expanding flat. Let's have a look at it on the daily. We'll come back to the down lower degree. So Ethereum also making what looks like an expanding flat. So far, it is still a running flat because we've not broken below here. So we're anticipating that Ethereum will break below this before the reversal. Okay, so what does it look at? What does that look like in the lower degree? If you look at the 4-hour, so that is the expectation. Okay, so that's the expectation, and that's what we said last week, that we are not anticipating that Ethereum, or rather the cryptocurrencies, are going to reverse because the moves to the downside don't seem to be complete as far as the sequences are concerned. We're still expecting more downside there. That is Ethereum, and you'll see almost all the cryptocurrencies are doing this. The question is whether this is the start of the reversal or just a preparation for one more down before the anticipated reversal. That is Ethereum. Litecoin similar, but I'm going to show you again the structure on Litecoin. It looks like a big zigzag, unlike the Bitcoin and Ethereum that have got that have expanding flat or flat corrective structures. This has what looks like a zigzag corrective structure, but it's a corrective structure nonetheless. Okay, amount of space there. So we'll anticipate that that structure plays out, gives us this ABC corrective structure here on Litecoin. That's ABC, the anticipation. So we're still on this C here, one more down here, and then upside back to the 4 hour. Let's go to the 4 hours so we can have a look at that structure. So you can see that structure is prevalent across all the cryptocurrencies. They're all showing these moves, and I'm anticipating that a move to the upside will just be a preparation for a move to the downside. So we'll be watching that for the into the next week. Those that are interested in our course, it starts on the 13th of June. That is next week. Okay, and if you want to analyze the market the way we do, you want the full training on the basics and the advanced principles of the ELLIOTTWAVE theory, you can purchase that on our website at trading-waves.com. You'll find our contact details under the description of all our videos, okay, on YouTube. So if you just open any video on YouTube, you'll find our contact details. Now, this is XRP, the same structure. We anticipate that we are still bearish. Dogecoin, same thing. As you can see, we anticipate that this can still be bearish. Now, I'm indicating this one more move to the upside. Does not have to play out. It may just continue to the downside like this. But if it does make a move to the upside, we will know that we are still anticipating that this is still going to continue to the downside. So let's see if we're going to get an opportunity to trade that. ADA, same. I'm anticipating that we're going to have a move like that and continuation to the downside. Okay, so you can see all of these are doing exactly the same thing, and Binance here showing even more strength here could give us a move back to around these levels. One more move to the downside before any upside. All right, guys, if you like our content, give us a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel if you've not already done so, and hit that bell notification button so that you can get an alert the next time we upload a video. Trade responsibly. See you next week. Cheers, everybody. Bye-bye.